At night, it becomes clear how much energy we consume in our homes. The amount of CO2 emissions is vast, and buildings make up 40% of the total energy consumption. Potentially, the energy consumption in buildings can be reduced by 80%. The Danish government's goal for new homes in 2020 is only to consume 1/3 of the energy that a newly built home consumes today. In order to create new building concepts and materials that are able to meet this demand, the Centre for Zero Energy Buildings, based at Aalborg University, has been established with a grant of €3.4 million from the Danish Council for Strategic Research. Along with other contributions from private companies, the centre focuses on acquiring new knowledge of the opportunities within low-energy housing for the benefit of the Danish construction industry and for society. The centre is headed by Professor Per Heiselberg.
CEP er med til at adressere den udfordring, vi har med at få omstillet vores samfund fra et fossilt baseret samfund til et samfund baseret på vedvarende energi.
The centre consists of a multidisciplinary research group, including architects, engineers, sociologists, anthropologists, and energy planners, so researchers can develop solutions applicable in practice. The partners of the centre include the Technical University of Denmark and the Danish Technological Institute, together with industrial partners Danfoss, Velux, Saint-Gobain Isover, Waste Heat Aarhus, and the Danish Construction Association's aluminium section. All of the industrial partners are directly involved in one or two subsidiary research projects. These partners work as advisors, help shape the content of the projects, and are continuously involved in discussing the progress of the projects. Based on the research of the centre, it will be possible to create zero-energy buildings that will be more intelligent and better at adapting to their surroundings in order to optimise energy savings. For example, the buildings are able to respond to climate variations or the number of people present in the facility. The centre is also developing building facades capable of changing characteristics, so they insulate well when it is cold at night and during the winter, but also lets the sun enter during the day. Glazed facades will reduce energy consumption as well as secure an optimal indoor climate. The centre also emphasises the examination of the human dimension. What is it like to live in the new types of homes? Are the energy-efficient design and the shape of the homes occurring at the expense of habitability? This is where anthropologists get to work. Buildings of the future must be able to form part of a give-and-take network with the rest of society. For instance, buildings will be able to sell energy from solar cells when the sun shines and buy from the energy grid when it is cloudy. One of the most obvious ways of storing energy is to have hot water storage in the building, which can be used for heating and bathing when the sun is not shining. The centre also focuses on helping the existing building stock transform into more energy-efficient buildings. One of the biggest challenges is to motivate homeowners to use energy as effectively as possible. The centre has identified the barriers that homeowners experience. Energy advisors can use holistic tools in their dialogue with homeowners in order to illustrate the advantages of retrofitting their homes, how retrofits can be done, and the financial impact of retrofits. Right now, all the countries of the world face a great challenge. The transition from being a fossil fuel-based society to a society based on sustainable energy. Therefore, other countries have the same need for making their building stock more energy efficient. Today, it is technically possible to meet those needs, but the centre makes the solutions financially attractive and thereby more interesting, both for producers and consumers.